Hello, I'm Stephen Mayeux, and you're watching the Best JS. In this video series, we're going to build a full-stack JavaScript application using React.js for the front end and Socket.io for the back end. Well, to manage our real-time communication. You see, Socket.io, this guy right here, it's an HTML5 technology, and it allows like this open line of communication between the client, which is the browser, and the server. And if you've ever used like a chat room or a chat box or messenger on Facebook, this is an example of WebSockets. You write a message, you press enter, and the friend or the person you're chatting with, they see that message instantly without having to refresh their page. Well, that's because there is an open communication between your two browsers and the server, and you are emitting and listening to certain events going on. So in this video series, I'm going to show you how to bring it all together with React and Socket.io, and we're going to build a very simple application. I'm going to show it to you right now just so you can see it for yourself. And oh my God, it is President Donald Trump. Okay, now I don't know if you support the guy, if you hate the guy. Personally, I do not like Donald Trump. I think he is unfit to be our president. And, this is a coding channel. This is an educational channel. I really keep away from, politics and very serious issues like that. But I don't know. I feel a bit responsible for, saying something, putting my foot down, and expressing my dissatisfaction for this dishonest, kind of racist, sexist bullshitter. And I'm just a nerd. All I do is code stuff. So this is my way to resist, and this is my way to show dissatisfaction. It's a very simple application written in React and Socket.io. And what it does here, let me see if I can actually resize this one. There you go. So what it does is it uses Socket.io to count how many times we have clicked and shaked around Donald Trump's face. So if I click on him, okay, you can see a timer, or not a timer, but a counter rather, go off. So it's kind of a funny bit of an animation right here every time you click Donald Trump. And you can see in the counter below, right there, it increases every time that you click it. And just for like comedic effect, you can like pick them up and drag them around with your mouse, and you can really get it out. And when you let go of them, finally, it increases again. Let's do it a couple more times. Trump! I don't like you, Trump. In fact, I hate you. Hillary should have been our president. Okay, and we go back to the other window right here. We can see that it has updated in real time. So with this application, we're going to build a Trump shaking application with a real-time counter so that we can see how many times people have shaken President Trump. And hopefully our application, I don't know, hopefully we can shake some sense into this guy, because he's really dangerous, and we need to make sure that he knows our dissatisfaction, because he is doing a really terrible job at being the most powerful leader of the world. So I got inspiration from this from this 17-year-old girl. She made this Trump cat application, also in React, and it's really cute. You control these little cat arms right here, and you can scratch the kitties, and the Trump faces go flying around. You can even click the letters on the screen right here, and these cat scratches appear on Donald Trump's face. Well, believe it or not, Donald Trump, he went after this poor little girl, this 17 years old, who's interested in coding and making applications, and he actually sends this girl a cease and desist letter. Like, come on, dude. Like, you're the most powerful man in the world. You're the president of the United States, and you also have a lot of money. And, all you care about is, people's opinion of you. Like, leave this girl alone. Like, this is ridiculous. This is, like, really awesome, though. This is a really brilliant girl, and I'm so happy that she made this and is into coding. So I got inspired by her, and I'm not doing the same thing exactly. Mine is not as cool or as fun as her, but I do make it possible for you to actually shake the president. And by the end of this video, I'll show you how to deploy this to the internet so that you can have your own personal Shake Trump application. Okay, so that's it for now. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to get started and set everything up. We're going to get the boilerplate. We're going to modify it a little bit. And we're going to add some dependencies that we're going to need. And one more thing, just something that I want to mention since we're at the end of this video. Earlier, I mentioned that you were watching The Best JS. Well, The Best JS is my personal tutoring services. You can read more about it. You see, there's my picture. You can read more about it at thebestjs.com. And if you are currently a self-taught programmer, you want to change careers and become a full-stack engineer or a front-end engineer, and you want to use JavaScript at your job, well, consider me to be your personal tech tutor. I do one-on-one lessons online, and yeah, they're really cool. A couple of my students have gotten jobs recently, so I'm pumped up about that. And well, anyway, I just want to help as many people learn JavaScript and coding so that you can get a better job and make cool things like a Shake a Trump app, so you can resist this guy, this evil man. All right. Let's take a break. I need to take a break and cool down a little bit. In the next video, we'll set up the project with some boilerplate and get started. See you next time. Bye-bye.